어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Nurhariza. Tips Study Program Kelas B. Tips and trick mengerjakan soal-soal IPT. I am explain about directly answer questions. Many questions in the reading sections of both the paper TOEFL test and the computer TOEFL test will require answers that are directly stated in the passage. This means that you should be able to find the answer to this type of questions without having to draw a conclusion. The directly answer questions that are commonly asked are: number 1, state detailed questions; number 2, unstated detailed questions; and number 3, pronoun reference questions. Number 1, answer state detailed question correctly. A state detailed question asks about one piece of information in the passage rather than the passage as a whole. The answers to this question are generally given in order in the passage, and the correct answer is often a restatement of what is given in the passage. This means that the correct answer often expresses the same ideas what is written in the passage, but the words are not exactly the same. The questions that test state details are generally multiple choice questions. On the computer test, there may also be a type of state. How to answer the question state detail questions? Number 1, choose a keyword in the questions. Number 2, skim in the appropriate part of the passage for the keyword or idea. Number 3, read the sentence that contains the keyword or idea carefully. Eliminate the definitely wrong answer and choose the best answer from fair remaining choice. Next, find unstated details. You will sometimes be asked in the reading section of both the paper TOEFL test and the computer TOEFL test to find an answer that is not stated or not mentioned or not true in the passage. This type of question really means that 3 of the answers are stated, mentioned, or true in the passage, while one answer is not. You should note that there are 2 kinds of answer to this type of questions. Number 1, there are 3 true answer and one that is not true according to the passage. Or number 2, there are 3 true answer and one that is not mentioned in the passage. Look at a multiple choice example from the paper TOEFL test that asks you to find the one answer that is not true. Last point is about find pronoun reference. In the reading selection of both the paper TOEFL test and the computer TOEFL test, you will sometimes be asked to determine to which noun a pronoun refers. Pronoun reference questions are worded a bit differently on the paper TOEFL test and the computer TOEFL test. On the paper test, pronoun reference questions are multiple choice questions, while on the computer test, pronoun reference questions are click-on questions. Either type of pronoun reference question tests the same language skill. In a pronoun reference question, it is important to understand that a noun is generally used first in a passage, and the pronoun that refers to it comes after. Whenever you are asked which noun a pronoun refers to, you should look before the pronoun to find the noun. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.